Hi guys, now today we are with Maji Madhavi Rao, founder and MD of MR Herbals Beautify. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
So what is this brand about?
I am an artisan skincare and hair care formulator. We do customized skincare and hair care products depending upon the skin type and hair type. So, every individual have their unique needs, and every product will not be suitable for everyone. So, we have a customized make of doing the cosmetics for them exclusively depending upon their the problematic skin condition and hair condition.
Okay. What inspired you to get into this herbal industry?
There is a very small percentage of the market of this kind of industry. So, and we generally explore women, especially, they explore a lot for being beautiful, and they try with so many products but end up with only few products which will be suitable for them. And it takes a long journey, and again there will be some effects and skin problems which they will be facing anyways. So I thought, why not I take up this challenging thing and enter into it.
Then what is your company different from other herbal competitors?
We do all natural products. So it's completely natural, where we use all the even the extracts like what we make for the ingredients and everything. Also, they are our own manufacturing. I have my own farm where we do all the extracts processing and everything over there. That's a small unit like where I have set up in an 1 acre land, and we have herbal gardens, medicinal and aromatic plants over there. So we use all the herbs and flowers, shoots, barks, everything like at least 60% though I'll be getting from my farm.
Okay. Then what are your best sellers right now?
Uh, 99.99% customers always say about the hair problem. So, hair fall is the biggest issue, like everyone are facing nowadays, due to many reasons. It could be that for controlling the hair fall is the best selling product. Like what I could say, like we have launched three products, namely for Kesh Vruddhi cleanser, Kesh Vruddhi serum, and Kesh Vruddhi oil. So that is for the exclusively for the hair fall control issue.
Okay. How do you justify the quality and purity of your ingredients or of your products?
Yeah, see, like all or we used when it comes to the Kesh Vruddhi cleanser, we used 45 ingredients in it, all natural, and we have explored what is the vitamin deficiencies, why the hair fall exists for any kind of person, like what could be the reasons behind it. So we have infused all such ingredients, which will make it a perfect blend for maintaining the scalp pH, and providing some of the nutrients into the scalp, so that the scalp skin will be conditioned, and it gives that climate for the hair follicles to grow properly.
Okay. Then do you use traditional herbal thing and also modern scientific technology to make your product?
Exactly, because we just cannot go only with completely a traditional method, where it may not be suitable for few people, and the aroma will play a very important role when it comes to the complete traditional touch. So, because I have done my course in UK, Formula Botanica, and I also did my courses in Ayurveda and several online and offline courses, but I have a specific way of doing my formulations. The learning methods are different, and the methods are different for me.
True, true. Then in this type of industry, what is the biggest misconception that most of the people have?
Misconception when it comes to the customer point of view. So only by just seeing it is herbal, natural, so they just trust by the names and brands. So nowadays even the brands are moving on in the market, a very startup brands are also moving, because if the performance is good, it will enter into the market and it will click into the market. But if that is not showing any result, so then it will be again a problem for the customers to face it. So
In this era, its fast, rapid, and quick growing technological era, what do you think? What role will technology play in your herbal products?
See, technology when it comes like the AI influence, where we could capture a beautiful deep down layers of the skin, where we could analyze the skin texture and the problematic of the skin conditions and even the hair just by visually seeing. Sometimes we not be able to understand that, and there are some instruments like what we use for the customers to have that report to generate for us to understand better, and we exclusively make for them.
Okay, ma'am. The last question. What is the one myth that you're gonna burst it right now about herbal products?
When a problem exists, when a problem arrives to a person, that it is not an instant problem. So it's the whole journey of their life they would have faced and crossed. Then only it reflects in the form of hair fall or a skin related issue. When it comes to a pigmentation, melasma, these are not a overtime, instant appearance thing. So there is lot of process which will be going inside the body, and that has finally appeared at the age of 35, 40, or 45 years of age. So when it has taken this much of time period for it to appear, then it will take some time for it to even heal. If someone says that I can give an instant result like within an hour, or if it is going to happen within a day or a fortnight, then how will it happen? So it cannot happen, right? Even if it happens, so that should be like a it won't be stay for longer duration, because there are several high end chemicals which will be used for an instant glow and all. So just it we need to be patient enough, but we shouldn't believe that whatever the company says or the ad says or what are the influencers says.
So, and also, herbal industry or skincare industry, hair care industry, దీనిపైన సోషల్ మీడియా ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంది.
Yeah, see, like this is the present trend which is going on, which we cannot avoid, or which we cannot disconnect from them. But the only thing is, just don't go by only the influencers. So you have to check around with the ingredients what are used. As a it's a basic necessity of every customer to know what is inside the product. Just don't go by the labels like there is a pure herbal 100% natural. So these are just the labels like what it is appearing, but you have to see whether the ingredients what are present inside the product are really herbal, or are they natural things in it. If they are, what are the chemicals which were used. See, chemicals, even the natural plant compounds also will have a chemical compound. I'm not speaking about the complete, it is free from chemicals we need to choose. But we need to understand how it is going to impact us for a skin and for a hair, so that you should take a wise decision while you buy any product before applying onto your skin or hair, which is very crucial, and we need to take that care.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time and information, bursting myths out on today's event.
Yeah, thank you, Nitya, and thank you, Veda TV, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to say some of the misconceptions, myths, what everyone will be facing, and I hope I would have done my good job over here.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Thank you.